Hey friends, what's up? Kaz here, doing a tutorial this week on parkour course, or parkour. I don't know what you want to call it. We like to joke around, call it parkour, whatever you want. Anyway, I found this plugin, thought it was pretty cool. Keeps track of your deaths, time, so you can have leaderboards for the courses, stuff like that. There's another way that I go about setting up parkour courses. You can check the link in the below me, I think. I'll put it there just to see the preview of it. I'll put together the tutorial of that maybe this weekend, just of how I did that. It uses multiverse portals. Pretty easy. If you've seen the tutorial on how to set that up, that's pretty quick, but you know, it doesn't keep track of your times or deaths or stuff like that, which is why this plugin is great. It also implements custom blocks like climbing blocks, jumping blocks, and then death blocks. The default death blocks, which I'll get to later, is ID 98, which is stone bricks. I switched it to nether brick because I thought it looked deadlier. And you can set that in your config.yml file for this plugin. Basically, just download this from bucket.org, throw the jar file in your plugin folder, and fire it up, and it's pretty much good to go. You don't really have to do any configuration, but and anything in there is self-explanatory. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them, or on the author's webpage, which the link will be in the description. All right, so here we go. I set up a little spawn, and you can download this map with these courses. I only have one course set up, but I started a second one, which is right here, and then I started the platform of a third, so you can set up your own, and there's a tutorial course as well. Let's do this. This is a little bit different than what I had planned, but whatever. Here is a tutorial course, and this will show you a little bit of how it works. So we'll join the course. This will guide you through the blocks that are being used. So if you fall on the red ones, it's going to kill you and go back to either the beginning or the last checkpoint you had. So we'll go ahead and jump over that. And then the emerald blocks, or whatever you want it to be, is your jump. And then bricks will let you climb. And then these will return you back to your state before you hit them. They're like no fall blocks. And then you got a run block, which will put you on speed boost 4, I think is what it is. And then you got gold here, which I gotta wait for this to time out. Gold forces you to walk. So if you're running and then you hit it, it'll put you back to walk. So the other thing that's cool is you can put checkpoints in your parkour courses. And so when the person comes to the checkpoint, they just right click on it, and now the point is set. Let's head back. I don't think we can. Yeah, we can. No, we can't. Never mind. I was gonna head back and show you that when you die, you get reset there. But anyway, the last block is these end stones, and they'll repulse you away. And that's about it. And then the last one is the finish line. And then once you go across that, you'll finish, and then you end with a gold ingot, or butter, as some of you crazy people out there call it. And this is what you can set in the config file. You can set the prizes and all things like that. So let's get to creating a course. So let's I gotta update my game mode. Let's head over here and create I already got the course created. I didn't really use any of the special blocks, but that's fine. Okay, we got it. We're good. And let's fix that. All right, so then you basically sit at the beginning of your course and type in PA create and then course 1. Now it's important to note it is case sensitive, so keep that in mind when you're creating the course. So now it's created, and one thing you'll notice here is it gave me a stick. Now the stick is what you can use for your checkpoints. You can also type in PA kit, and it's going to give you everything that you need for setting up the course, all the special blocks, all that stuff. But it got rid of my stick. That's fine. We'll get another one. It doesn't have to be the one they gave you, but just that one. So this course is pretty straightforward. It's not too long, and I only have one checkpoint. Oh, this is left over. Let's close that. So then basically you just right-click on the block that you want to have the checkpoint, and you right-click again to verify. Now you want to set up the sign for the checkpoint as well. So we're going to do parkour just to notify that this is a parkour sign. And then you're going to do set point course 1, and then the checkpoint number. So and if it's correct, it'll say created and all that stuff. And then that's pretty much it. You're going to set up, this is the finish line. You're going to set that to be a finish line. That's pretty easy, straightforward. If you have more than one checkpoint, you just do that for each checkpoint, and then you just do 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an infinite number of checkpoints. I played on one server that was like 100 and some checkpoints. So have fun with that. I'm not gonna enjoy it, but whatever. So now you want to go back and create your join sign. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go parkour join, and then the course number, because it's course 1 or the name of the parkour course, and then we'll just do survival. So there we go. It's created. The join sign, but it's not completely done. You got to do this PA finish, and then the course name. So, and there you go. That is your parkour course. That's pretty much it. I am not exactly great at parkour, so there you go. Got it. Made it. Nope. Let's see. So, and you can do PA. I think you can just PA leave. So you can quit the course and all that stuff. Like I said before, keeps track of your death and times. That's about it. You can download this server in whole, and it's ready to go. Just put yourself as op in the ops.txt file, and you can create your own courses. Here's the one for you, and it's already started a little bit. And this one is just a platform. So have fun. I don't care. Download it. I don't care if you credit me with this. It didn't take me too long to build. It may look like crap, but whatever. I like it. So that's about it. Any questions, comments, concerns, snotty remarks, leave them in the comments below. If you have any other plugins that you'd like to see me do, I do plan on doing one for factions, and I'll probably do one for like the rank up or command rank for prison servers. That's the last one, and that's about it. This is Cos from McFriends, and as always, enjoy the game.
Gather round. Gather round. Gather round. Stop playing with the buttons. Stop it. Stop the buttons.
So amusing.
What's the buttons? They're so ugly.